Hello friends, welcome to a new video for the channel. In this video, we will do the unboxing and review of this projector, home theater projector from HORLAT. Make yourself comfortable and we'll start with the video. To start the unboxing, on the left side of the box, here are the main features of this projector, like the 2.4 and 5G Wi-Fi connection, the possibility of broadcasting via Wi-Fi, native playback at full HD resolution, and keystone. On the right side of the box, there are more features, as this project has a long useful life, ultra clear screen, high brightness, multiple interfaces, and high-quality acoustics. Now we open the box to see its contents. The first thing there is a small box. Inside this box, there is the control for the projector. To manipulate the projector from here, you will need two batteries. This projector also includes an HDMI cable, AV cable, tower cable, a nut to adjust the angle of the projector, and finally, the user manual. It is important to read for the proper functioning of the projector. Here you will find everything you need. And finally, now we have the projector. Time to open it to see how it works. And here we have it. It is a small and lightweight projector. Now let's talk about him. At the top of the project are all the buttons to navigate between the menus: tower switch, menu button, back button, signal source, directional button, and confirm button. The same buttons that are on the control. On the right side are the HDMI connections and a USB connection. On the left side is the connection to power the projector and removable dust cover. On the back there is a jack connection, AV port, IR receiver, and removable dust cover. And at the bottom is where we can place the nut for the recline angle of the projector. And finally, on the front of the projector, there is the focus lens and the IR receiver. One of the main features of this projector, it's autofocus. When you turn on this projector, it will automatically focus. No matter where you place it, it focuses automatically. This eliminates the hassle of manual focusing. The sensor detects movement in real time and adjusts focus to maintain sharp images. Another feature of this project is that it has the Android 9. This will allow us to have a large number of applications to download and enjoy in this projector. At the top of the interface, we have several menus, where we can find some applications that are already installed, such as YouTube, Facebook, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, among others. Several applications to enjoy your favorite content. And in case your application is not yet installed, in this interface, there is its own application store. Here you can search for the applications or games that you like the most. Something to mention, that some applications are not compatible due to some certifications. But with the most popular applications, you will not have problems. And in case you do not find the applications you are looking for in this store, you can also install Play Store. And as I mentioned before, in this projector we can transmit via Wi-Fi. For that you have to load for the Miracast application, a very useful tool. Another feature is that in this projector has 18,000 lumens. This means that it will provide us with high-quality video, both at night and day. The image quality in both environments is very good. You can enjoy your movie or game in any lighting environment. The resolution it projects is Full HD. This resolution provides sharp and highly detailed images. And that's not all, since with this projector, you can play videos in 4K and 8K resolution. To enjoy the content in maximum quality, this projector is excellent for enjoying multimedia content or simply for playing games. This projector will provide a projection screen from 40 to 300 inches, which accompanied by its built-in speakers of great audio quality. You will enjoy everything you plan. Really impressive. If you like the features of this projector, you can purchase it from the link in the video description. A highly recommended projector. And we have reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.